Hello guys, how are you doing today? This is the 12th uh, episode of Python tutorial series. Today we are going to see first Python access list items. How do you access list items? List items are indexed and you can access them by referring to the index number. Print the second item of the list. This list equals to apple, cherry, banana. So since index position starts at 0, not at 1, if you want to access the second item, you will have to use index position 1. So print of this list of 1, and 1 is in square brackets, not in parentheses. So banana will be printed. Note that the first item has index 0. Now negative indexing. Negative indexing means start from the end. -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second last item, etc. Example, print the last item of the list. Suppose you don't know how many items are there in a particular list. If you know how many items are there, like there are 10 members, then if you take the 9 index position, you will have the last item. But suppose you don't know how many items are there in a particular list, but you want to print the last item. How do you do that? With index position -1. So print this list of -1 and you have the last item printed on console. Range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. Okay, and when specifying a range, the return value will be a new list with the specified items. Return the third, fourth and fifth item. Okay, so how do you do that? Let us first read the comments. This will return the items from index position 2 to 5. Remember that the first item is at position 0, and also note that the item in position 5, the last index position, is not included. Okay, so it is basically index position 2 to 4 because 5 is not included. Okay, so when index position 2, it means the third item cherry, and index position 3 orange, index position 4 is kiwi. So cherry, orange, kiwi, these three things are printed, and in order to have them you need to write print of this list in the square bracket. You need to write 2:5. So although it is, they write it 5, but 5 is not included, so actually the index positions of 2 to 4, they are considered. Okay, now the search will start at index 2 included and ends at index 5 not included. Okay, I guess that's very simple to understand. And once again they remind you that the first item has index 0. We know that. By leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. So if you do not specify the starting index position, then starting from the first item it will be done. Okay, so like this, print of this list of in the square bracket nothing :4 square bracket close. It means you will have to start from apple, and what is index position for means the fifth item, so you will have to take until the fourth item. So apple, banana, cherry, orange, these are the 4 items. Okay, and that's what is printed in the console. We should have written the comments. Let's read them. This will return the items from index 0 to index 4. Remember that index 0 is the first item and index 4 is the fifth item. Remember that the item is in index 4 is not included. Okay, we are not stupid not to know that. Anyway, by leaving out now about the last or finishing index position, that's what they mean. By leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the end of the list. This example returns the items from cherry to the end, because cherry is the third item with index position 2. Since finishing or ending index position is not mentioned, so we have to take it to the last item. So starting from index position 2, which is the third item, cherry, we have to, that there will be output like cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango, 5 items, right? So here we get to see 5 items. So now let's read the comments. This will return the items from index 2 to the end. Remember that index 0 is the first item and index 2 is the third. Okay. Now range of negative indexes. Specify negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the list. This example returns the items from orange of -4 index position 2, but not including mango, which has index position -1. So print this list of, in square bracket you have -4 colon -1. -4 is what? Orange, and -1 is mango. So you will have orange, kiwi, melon, but not mango. Okay, do we need to read the comments? Negative indexing means starting from the end of the list. This example returns the items from index -4 included to index -1 excluded. Remember that the last item has the index -1. Check if item exists. To determine if a specified item is present in a list, use the in keyword. That's a membership operator, I believe. Check if apple is present in the list. This list equals to apple, banana, cherry. If apple in this list, print yes, apple is in the fruits list. So since apple is in this list, so this particular thing will be output. Yes, apple is in the fruits list. But if we checked whether pineapple in this list, then we would not have any output. It would have been blank. Okay. So I guess we should go to the next chapter. Python change list items. Change item value. To change the value of a specific item, refer to the index number. This list equals to apple, banana, cherry. This list of 1, index position 1 in square bracket is black currant. And now if you take the printout of this list, you will see the changed list, like apple and not banana. Instead of banana, it will be black currant, and the third item will be cherry. This is how you change one or more items of a list. Change the a range of item values. Okay, not just one item, but a number of items within a range. To change the value of items within a specific range, define a list with the new values and refer to the range of index numbers where you want to insert the new values. Okay. Example, change the values banana and cherry with the values blackcurrant and watermelon. Now this list equals to, it's a list, apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi and mango. So this list of 1:3, 1:3 means actually 2 items, because index position 3 will not be counted. So index position 1 and 2, right? And the 2 items, the new items that to be added is blackcurrant and watermelon. So starting from index position 1 in the existing list, which is banana will be out and cherry will be out. So after insertion of blackcurrant and watermelon, we will have this list as apple, blackcurrant, watermelon, then orange, kiwi, and then mango. If you insert more items than you replace, the new items will be inserted. How much time? 10:40. I guess I should put an end here. Definitely should put an end here, otherwise it will be, let's say, 15 minutes, which I do not want. Okay guys, so see you again in the 13th episode of this tutorial series, and until then, have a great day.